Right guys, how's it going? Just gonna mobile video, but show you what we're on at the moment, because I've just done a little bit of fencing, a bit of post and rail. But yeah, how you been? I'm gonna show you this project, then show you what I've been doing inside. Nice bit of post and rail. How you been anyway? Oh, been busy. We've been insulating and putting in floating floor in this barn conversion. Well, I say bar conversion. It's yeah, nice little building. But I'll just get my toolkit on the barn. Oh. Show you what we've been doing inside. Makes a change. OPEPE post went in the other day, or OPEPE, I'll confirm that later. Stock gates. But yeah, that's what we've been doing inside. Obviously all insulated, floors in. Bit of a change from what I'm used to, but obviously fencing isn't, that's the same. But how you been guys? Well, I'll give you a quick little video to let you know how I'm going, how things are going. How you been?